at the airport late at night, 1 a.m. Picking up this cabron, Sarrito. This is one motherfucking cabron. Fucking all the way from Puerto Vallarta. And he's also Canadian too. First time in the US with your boy in New York. About to skate hard as fuck. About to skate, about to eat good, about to show him the sights, about to go on a boat. About to show young Sarrito New York City in its best way in the summer. It's gonna be lit. We about to go hard. We about to do everything. Whenever this guy finally gets his skateboard out of the luggage, for God's sakes. The boy made it. Hey, oh, let's put that shit back on. What are we doing? This nigga's here. Ah! So we're about to go into the Queensbridge Tunnel.
Dude, look at all these cops right now.
On the way, we on the way to Fawn's Leap, a place I've been going since 2010. Gotta show the homie over here from Mexico some cliff jumping. He's gonna throw a gainer for us.
Yeah, I will.
We got T.I. in the back in the building.
Fucking left home, so that's pretty stoked.
T.I. It's goody. Introduce yourself.
Yo, I'm T.I. from the BK, you know.
And we're gonna be camping. We're gonna be cooking. We're gonna be setting up a tent. I'm gonna cook some fire shit. I don't know what I'm gonna cook yet. Filming has started. "20-minute fire, finally going." Right?
You got them right.
You helped a lot. And you? I don't know about you. Next is sausage, burgers, and chicken.
Lame as fuck.
You got no flick. Oh, I broke it.
You broke it? Fuck.
Let's grill that snake up. Let's catch him and grill him. Running away.
Fucking.
Joke's on you, I am the FBI. Oh, bro. You like that one.
Needs more time on this side. It was juicy.
I get my word from the narco.
Ready? Chicken time, baby. Chicken time, let's get it. Follow me, let's go.
Ooh, he getting the chicken.
Ooh, some beautiful fucking chicken just marinating in the back trunk. Yeah.
Ooh, ooh.
See it? Oh. Stay in that frame. That look cool. Aim it at the chicken. Got it?
This chicken, yo.
These fools are still sleeping. Got the fire going, day 2, but unfortunately, making my own coffee grinds, because I only have the beans. Gonna let my water boil, make some coffee. I'd actually rather cook food over a fire, but it takes too long, so we're using charcoal today. Thank you, Yeti. Almost there. It's hot, that's hot, that's hot. Ooh, fuck. This is what you call ghetto coffee in the woods. I don't burn my fingers off. He's alive. Oh.
My shoulder's a little fucked up.
You still drunk?
Nah, I don't think so. What time is it? Is it early? We definitely fell asleep with the candle on it. I can't believe it. It burned like the whole thing. I fell asleep and I had no idea where this thing was.
It's like watery ass coffee.
Yeah, it doesn't. It looks like iced tea.
Watery coffee. Nice. Since my coffee didn't work out too well, actually it's pretty good. I don't care what the haters say. Starting to cut up some fucking potatoes, baby.
Gotta let you
Onion.
know.
How you feeling?
Yeah, I feel great. We out here in the woods, you know.
You don't look that good.
I do feel good.
Look at my table.
Yeah, I saw that shit yesterday.
What do you mean you saw it yesterday?
Yeah, I saw it melting, but I thought it looked cold. What?
You saw my table melting and you didn't tell me.
I told you, dude, your table is melting. And you were like, whatever. What? Really?
In the tent?
Yeah.
While I was sleeping?
Which tent? Which tent?
Oh my god, this kid's
Oh shit. You got caught on fire? I didn't see that. What? Fuck. Yo.
You're a dick.
No, like, I told you it was melting and you were like, sure, okay.
This side is getting nice. This shit's getting sticky.
That other pan's burning way better.
I know.
Complete.
How is it?
Even though it's egg, this is gas, bro.
The rest of the table didn't burn.
I don't think they're like pyros though.
Today, we're going to the cliffs.
That shit's cold as fuck. Alright, here we go!
This man.
Yeah, this man. Exactly, big dog.